today's tutorial on how to build a functional PC that can run 4,000 FPS. Put our RAM sticks in our perfectly fine motherboard right here.
So first of all, we just gotta install.
Here, let me put them in real quick.
Yep.
Perfect!
Now we gotta install the second one.
Yep.
Full RAM sticks,
Alright.
and they're in the correct spots.
Oh, it's not in all the way.
Oh,
Alright.
it popped out.
It's fine. I'll just.
And then we got our front RAM sticks that go like right here. And then we're gonna install our CPU, brand new Ryzen 7800. We gotta install it.
Gotta get that montage.
Brand new. Perfect. Now we're gonna install the AIO.
Wait, we forgot the thermal paste.
Oh yeah, thermal paste. Right.
All right, now we're putting the AIO in.
So here's our brand new AIO. Gotta install it accordingly to its price.
Yep.
Okay, that's only secured for the next 5 days, but
Yeah.
now we should move on next, Jeffy.
All right. Now we're gonna install it in the PC case. Perfect. All right, now we install it in there. Perfect.
And
All right, now we use our regular PC screws. Right there, bought them from Amazon. Someone said they would work really well.
someone.
All right, yep, someone in the internet. Oh man.
We need a couple more.
Yep, a couple more.
Show them how.
Yep. Alrighty. Like one more.
A couple more.
Yeah.
Should be good.
Hey, why isn't our RAM sticking? There we go.
Brand new.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh yeah, and if you were asking, our pins are supposed to be like that. If you didn't know that, that's actually how they're supposed to go.
Now we're gonna install the.
Japoo-poo!
Wait, I didn't install it correctly.
Wait, I gotta add some more things to install. Alright, we had to make some slight modifications to AIO, but personally I don't like the color, so let's just add a little bit of color to it.
You're doing that right, Bob.
Perfect! Alright, we got our
Brand new GPU.
RTX 5090! That's actually a Japoo-poo 5090. Alright, installed.
Perfect.
Alright, putting our power supply in. Put it in our average motherboard. Best motherboard on the thing you can get.
Not really fit.
I mean, it fits fine, to be honest. Oh, yeah.
It wasn't really fitting correctly. Had to make some.
Slight modifications. Slight modifications.
Still not fitting correctly.
Yeah.
Oh, there's totally not a shield right here.
Oh, yeah.
Just gotta head to remove that.
Here, I know how to fix it. Hold the camera. Hold the camera. Hold the camera real quick. It should fit now. Wait. All right, it should fit now. All right, we have slight modifications. Make sure the AIO is on there. The pooper pie is in there.
It's not
we
in there
had to
fully.
relocate though, but
It's not in there fully.
yeah.
Brand new.
It's in there.
One more. One more does the trick. Two's better than one.
Yeah.
One's better than three. Maybe one's better. Yeah, one's better.
Yeah, I'll just keep that one in there. Should be fine. Alrighty.
Moving on to the case fan or mounting the GPU.
Yeah.
mounting the GPU.
Yeah, we're gonna put a few pieces.
First of all, she's a little bit bent, so we gotta fix that one. Oh, she's not going in very well. Oh no. Oh, per favor.
Perfect.
Yep. I think I dropped something. Oh. You guys want some free sticks?
There you go. There's some RAM sticks.
Totally. Oh no, it popped out.
It's fine.
We can fix that. Okay, installed. Perfect.
The poo-poo is in.
Now we gotta plug in all of our cables. So this pesky 24 pin, I figured out how to put in this pesky 24 pin right here.
Yeah.
Obviously don't have enough cable, so we're gonna have to make us.
Alright, we had to do some slight modifications.
Yeah, so these
for
pesky
extending
24s, I don't even understand why you guys just don't Bluetooth them. Also, they're super hard to get on, so we'll just attach him.
Yep.
Did some mental damage to the mental department.
It's fine.
Okay, next we're gonna install our hard drive.
Yep.
Which we're gonna properly install. Do we have one of those? Yes, guys, we have one of those connectors on our PWERE.
Yep.
And then we're gonna install it right
Yep.
there. Which self-tappers should be fine.
Don't you mean PC screws?
Yep, PC screws.
I don't know why you're saying self-tappers like that, bro. Can't be throwing the word out there.
Can you hold this up? Okay, now we're gonna put this in here. Okay, that's installed.
hard drive is in there.
Now, our GPU totally connects to the hard drive.
Yep.
That's definitely how that works.
Yep. That is how it works.
It connects about right there. Oh, this one's being a stubborn connection. Okay, it's been properly connected. Oh, it popped out.
Why don't we just Bluetooth it, bro?
Oh yeah, just Bluetooth.
Yeah, just Bluetooth.
Just Bluetooth it to the motherboard.
Yep. That's how it works for your beginners. If you don't know that,
That's how that works.
we've built many PCs in our lifetimes.
Yep. And last but not least, case fan. Now, I'm thinking right here. What are you thinking?
It's good. To be honest, I think we should put it here for like so much airflow, right?
Yeah, but
It
this
needs a
one's
lot of air.
better. It already has holes. I'm too lazy.
Yeah, that was true. We are pretty lazy here.
Yep.
Gotta delete that.
Oh, these work perfect on a plastic case fan.
Yeah, I think 2 screws is good.
Yep. Good enough.
Good enough.
Okay, we
All
have a
right,
4-pin connector.
Bluetooth it again.
Nah, we got the
Yeah,
3-pin.
Bluetooth it into the.
We have a 3-pin connector, so
Oh, yeah.
we should plug the 4-pin into it. That makes total sense.
Yep. For you beginners, that is how it works. So
3
whatever
goes to
pin
4,
connector is,
7
so you
goes to 5.
you look at it
9
and
goes
you
to
always
10.
it's always 3 less.
Yep.
So if you got a 4-pin connector, you put it on a 1-pin connector, which does exist. If you can't find it, you gotta rip open your power supply. Yep. Or you could just find a random port that
Yeah.
should work.
Should be what I'm doing. Perfect. Installed. Now we have more connectors, which
Yep.
are
Could
right.
probably just Bluetooth these ones.
Oh, these ones, no point to Bluetooth them. We got the connector right here.
Yeah. Random
Fits
connectors.
flawless, which doesn't fit flawless. I bet you it'll fit right here. Come on, give me the screws. Perfect. Okay, now we have a 10-pin connector, goes in a 2-pin connector.
Yep.
It goes in the CPU fan connector. Okay, now
Alright.
we're gonna
gotta put this in one of the power ports.
Yep, this is our power button because this one works.
Yep.
So this one doesn't.
And this cable is a Bluetooth for your speakers and your
Yep,
PC.
this is a Bluetooth speaker device. You can plug
Yep.
this into these ports right over here.
Somewhere.
That's not a port. It's stuck. Okay, we gotta put this right down here. It's not really going very well.
I think it's actually going pretty well for this PC.
Here we go. There's one. There we go. Bluetooth speaker wire plugged in.
Alright, I think we might actually be done.
We got the side panel.
No, we don't need this one. We gotta see inside of it.
And
the
then
boot up?
here is the boot up drive.
No. For the boot, when we boot it up, you always leave the side panel off.
We don't trust those idiots. Put the side panel on.
No. Because if it doesn't start, I gotta put some special stuff in it.
There's
So we
a
gotta
hole in
leave.
the front.
Oh yeah. All right. Yeah. We'll just like put this on here. There's no need to attach it. Just. It should be fine. All right. Now let's try and boot it up. All right. I'm gonna try and boot it up now. I put some starting fluid in it. Yellow spray paint will work for that too. So let's start it up.
So we're gonna drag it for the grass.
Gotta do something very special. Yes. Alright, so it worked very well, but it was loud, so we're just gonna write free PC on the side. Free. Alright, let's make the top panel all yellow. Oh. Alright, perfect. And a yellow power button because it makes better. So now when you turn it on, you're goody. Oh yeah, our hard drive's supposed to be yellow if you didn't know that for your noobs.
Well, let's do a second boot.
Alrighty. It's supposed to be this loud if you didn't know that. Alright, I'm donating the PC to some random people on the street. There's some kind people over here. Let's donate PC to them. Hi, do you want a free PC? Yeah! Check it out! Free PC for life! Yeah! Yeah! You're loving the PC, guys! Guys, how much do you like the PC?
Guys, look at this free PC we just got. Me and my friend just got this. We were hanging out and talking about the food plots. So we're gonna have my fat friend pull this away.
No swearing.
No. Fat friend, pull this way. Come on. Free PC.
It works fine.
It still works, guys.
Let's boot it up.
I think that's supposed to go right there.
Yeah, no, actually, I think it just goes
Look, guys, it's a whatever this is, tree.